And of course, when you film, everything goes wrong. Oh, no, I'm doing it. Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well and safe. Today, very different project, very different things that I normally make. I was studying up the craft room just before we went on holiday. So if you, as you know guys, you're watching this video while me and Jamie are sunbathing in Italy. Fingers crossed it's going to be a good weather because it's been very cold there as well. So, but I'm hoping that we're going to have a wonderful weather. But anyway, so you will see this video while me and Jamie are enjoying our time in Italy, put it this way. So I was tidying up before we went away and I found, and I totally forgot, these box of washi tape. They're from the works. There is one missing, so I don't know what I've done with that because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so it's a pack of 8, but I only got 7, so there's one missing. I'm not sure what happened. I'm not a washi tape person. This is the only pack that I have. It's something that it's something that I don't really mind, or I don't really like, put it this way. So this, I bought this God knows how many years ago, and I thought, well, we've got to do something with it. So first thing, you see, making up as you go along. First of all, let me show you the 4 colors. So you get well, 7 because one is missing. So you've got lovely copper. Focus on the washi and not on the desk. Well, I'm hoping you can. Oh yeah, I think you can see them. So it's black and white with a bit of copper, with a bit of silver and a bit of pink. So what I did, let me put this back because if not, and of course when you film, everything goes wrong. Oh no, I'm doing it. I'll probably ended up using this more. Oh, seriously, come on. Anyway, the floral one, let me put this out of the way. There. Yeah, so what I was saying, so I got a piece on A4. It's our standard A4. It's not extremely thick. I think it's 200 GSM, so it's not the thickest, but it's not the lightest, if you're making sense. Apologies, I got copper all over my fingernails, but I'm filming quite a lot of videos today. Got very nice crafty day because Jamie's at work, thank God. So got really nice day for myself. Nice peace and quiet and tranquility, so I can do what I want. So I'm having a really good day of playing because I've not been playing. I won't be playing for 2 weeks while we're going to Italy, so I'm making most of the time while we can. So first of all, I created this. Well, it's not rock science, but I just played with the washi tape and I created this A4 sheet. Now this is going to be shared on the freebie on Friday. So if you don't know what the freebie is, every Friday I share a freebie on my Facebook group and also my newsletters, both of this linked down below. So if you want to get this scanned, yeah, join my newsletter or join my Facebook group. Very interactive platform, full of wonderful people. Love it. I do prefer Facebook more than I prefer YouTube, to be fair, because in that platform you guys share your projects that take inspiration from what I made, and it's brilliant because this is what I want to do, just, you know, sharing my journey with you guys and also see what you come up with and sharing your journey with everybody. So it's very, very interactive. On YouTube it's just me talking forever, so it's more interactive. So anyway, so we were saying, yeah, so when I scanned this and saved as a PDF, the pink are very those pinks come up very, very, very bright. So it's more brighter than you actually see in real life. So in real life, this is very settled. So you've got your marble, your floral. So what I thought we would do, this is my butterflies dies. Oh God, guys, I had a really good sorting out a couple of weeks ago. I literally sat down. Jamie was on the late, so I had all evening by myself. I literally sat down, got through every single die that I own, too many, and I sort them out by style, by collection, by sort of like theme. This is the butterflies dies that I have. So what I thought we would do, we're gonna make some butterflies today because butterflies are amazing. So now I love that. Don't ask me where they come from, because the only thing I can tell you that this is from Stampin' Up. That's the only thing I know. I'm not sure where those two come from. So I'm not bothered about the body of the butterfly, but what I'm thinking we can do is just create, I want to create some lovely butterflies that are full of these three colors. Now this one, I guess I can just cut the outline of that, and then this one here cuts the outline that as well. So I think we're going to do that. I got an A4, I got the very big shot. I got the A4 big shot, so I can just put this through rather than cutting it, because I don't want to cut it, because I can get the more out of this if I don't cut it. So I want to place them strategically, so I'm gonna get the less waste possible, and then see how many butterflies I can get. I will be right back. Okay, before I show you the butterflies, I want to show you my new stencil. I love it. I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a couple of layers of Mod Podge, only because, well, A, to make it stronger, and two, when I die cut it, a lot of masking, washi tape is peeling off, so it's coming off. So I'm just going to do a proper layer of Mod Podge to make it stronger, and then I will use it. I think it's a great stencil. It's a bit damaged. Yeah, it's open here because the wing of the butterfly just broke. I went way too close to that, but never mind. So let me show them. I'm so excited. So look at this beauty. They're all pretty similar in a way that, you know, the colors are the same, but yeah, everyone is oh, I think it's too zoom in now, but everyone is different, if it makes sense. So I love them. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them yet. What I'm thinking, actually, what I might do, I'm going to print the image that I scanned, and then we probably I can make tags off that A4, just chop it into rectangulars, and then we're just going to put some of these butterflies on top. But they're very detailed. What I might do, I'm going to get cotton bud, and then I'm going to put some copper, because all of them has got copper in it, just to distress it, just to give it an extra detail, an extra dimension, because I'm conscious if I do with the tip of my finger, I will go way too hard on it, if it makes sense. I will probably cover way too much. With the cotton bud, I know that I can measure, if it makes sense. So I will make sure that I only cover literally the perimeters of the butterflies. I love them. And I mean, you can use any washi tapes that you like. As I said, I only had these colors, so but I think they work really well together. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this little yeah, it's like a very simple project, really. Definitely gonna make some more. If I come across any washi tape, I won't buy them on purpose just for doing another video, but if I get them into Happy Mails, or if I received any, or you know, anything, I will make some more and I'll share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a little thumbs up. That will support the video and the channel. And until next time, stay safe and well.